Look at, he totally took off his... What's he gonna do with it now?
I see he's gonna eat it.
He's gonna eat his own skin.
He's like, yeah.
That was so cool.
I know.
Why is he eating it?
I don't know. Maybe it's kind of tasty.
That's completely nasty.
I know. What if we should?
What if we took it and then, like, hung it up on the Leopard Gecko Wall of Fame? Wouldn't that be awesome?
I'm so proud of him, though.
I mean, that's cool how he can do it.
Seriously, what is he going to do with that? He doesn't look like he's eating it. He just looks like he's having it hang in his mouth. Oh, Mom, move it down a little bit so you can see how it's in his mouth.